Hello students, good morning. Today we are going to see on problem testing of hypothesis. So what we discussed in last class we discussed about single mean standard deviation is given. So what is the formula? So what is equal to x bar minus mu by sigma by root. So this is the formula for single mean. So substitute all the values and compare the calculated value with your table values. So today also we are going to discuss on problem difference of means. So this is type 2. So yesterday's class is type 1, that is single mean and standard deviation given. So today this is type 2 problem, that is difference of means. So look at the problem. A researchers wants to compare the effectiveness of two different medications for reducing blood pressure. So medication A is tested on 50 patients. So this is our sample size. So N1 resulting in a mean reduction of 15 mm. So this is our X1 bar. These are already given detail with a ST of 3 mm. So this is sigma 1 standard deviation. And medication B is tested on 60 patients. So this is second set, therefore N2 sample size 2 resulting in a mean reduction of 13 mm. So this is second sample 2 standard deviation is denoted by sigma 2 with ST of 4. This is X2 bar. So this is our sigma 2. First I am going to write the given detail. So what are the detail given? So given detail. So first medication A. This is my sample 1. And medication B. So this is my sample 2. So what is N1 value? So N1 value is 50. Here for medication B, the sample size is 60. So next X1 bar, that is equal to 15. So here X2 bar value is 13. So sigma 1, this standard deviation is 3. So in samples 2, standard deviation is 4. So what is step 1? So step 1 is we have to frame the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. First null hypothesis. So it is denoted by X0. So what is the statement? Here we have two samples. So here there is null means no difference. So therefore there is no significance difference between sample 1 and sample 2. Here my sample 1 is medication A and medication B. So this is the statement of X0. Next alternative equal. So here we have the notation mu1 is equal to mu2. So this is our case. Next alternative hypothesis. It is denoted by X1. So what is the statement? This is a contradiction statement of null hypothesis. So therefore there is a significant difference between medication A and medication B. So notation is H1 is denoted by H1. So this is two-tailed test because we have no comparison between medication A and medication B. So therefore mu1 is not equal to mu2. Next step 2. So what is your step 2 heading? Step 2 is nothing but level of significance. So it is given in the problem. So what is your level of significance? So here look at, we have to test at 1% level of significance. So alpha is equal to 1%. Okay. Next step 2. Step 3. Test to statistic. So what is the formula? So this is difference of means X1 bar minus X2 bar by root of sigma 1 square by N1 plus sigma 2 square by N2. So this is the formula for difference of means. So replace all the values. So what is the x1 bar? So x1 bar value is 15 minus 13 divided by, so what is your sigma 1? Sigma 1 is 3, sigma 1 square means standard deviation, sorry, variance 3 square by, so what is sample size A is 50, so sigma 2 square, similarly 4 square, what is N2? N2 is 60. Do all the calculation, you will get that equal to 3.10. So this is your calculated values. Next step 4, table value. We have separate table value for 1% and 5%. Here alpha value 1%, two tail test. The corresponding table values is denoted by z alpha 2.58. So this is the table value. Next I am going to conclude this problem. So step 5 conclusion. Now I am going to compare my calculated value and table value. So look at the problem. So this is greater than the table value. Modulus z is greater than z alpha. So 3.10 is greater than 2.58. So what is your statement? Here x naught is automatically rejected because my capital value is greater than the table value. Here x naught is rejected. Therefore, h1 is accepted. So what you observe? So there is a compulsory, there is a difference between medication A and medication B. Therefore, I conclude my problem. So there is a significant difference between medication A and medication B. So in unit 1, so we have 4 type of tests. So testing of hypothesis, we are in the case of type 2. So testing of hypothesis. So first we have large sample and small sample. So large sample and small sample. Next class we are going small sample. Next class we will discuss the topic.